Today I'm gonna show you how to change the duvet cover. So let's get some lights in here. Who are you? I'm Jens and I'm gonna need your duvet.
Okay.
So, thank you for your duvet, Thorstein.
Yeah, sure.
So, before we start, just a quick tips. So, when you're gonna wash your duvet cover, then when you pull it off, just pull it off like this. So, when you have it off your duvet, it's inverted, or the cover is inside out.
Okay.
Like this. So, why you want to do this is because of the method we're gonna use. And also, when you do this, the duvet cover will last longer when you wash it a lot of times.
Oh, yeah, that's smart.
So now you have a inverted duvet cover. What you want to do now is to just make sure that your duvet is straight. So you don't have any twists, because this will cause problems when we're gonna put it on.
Okay.
So just make sure it's straight like this. And next you want to have your duvet cover on the inside out. And now just go to the edge of it and find the hole. So what you want to do is to just put your arms into the cover and find the inner corners. Okay, so like this, and you have your hands inside the corners here. And also you can see Thorstein has hole in his bedsheet.
I did not make the holes, I just want to make that clear. That came with the sheet.
Okay, so these are original.
Yes, and it's also not a Halloween costume, okay guys?
Okay. So, but you don't need these holes, but when you have them, you know you're in the corners.
Okay.
So, next up, you want to find the corners on your duvet. So, this corner here, and this one. And now you have the corners on the cover and also the duvet. What you want to do now is to just turn the sheet over the duvet like this. So you just pull the corners through the hole.
Okay.
Like that. So now take both corners in one hand and just pull it downwards over the duvet like this. And also you can do some shaking if that's easier for you. And one thing that's different with different covers is the hole. So the smaller the hole, the harder it's to pull it over the whole duvet.
Okay.
So then, like here, what you want to do is to just place the corners inside the corner of the cover here, like this.
Yeah, just stuff it into the corners at the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now just take the corners and shake it out from this way as well.
Okay, so you shake it from the bottom.
Yeah.
I guess that evens out everything inside and stuff.
Oh yes.
Alright, and then to make your bed properly, just snap your finger.
Snap my fingers. Okay.
Yeah, just snap it. No.
Whoa. Okay,
Wow.
and one more thing.
The next important step is how to put on fitted sheet. I'm gonna do a whole series on how to make your bed as well as your bedroom look nice. So subscribe now to see the latest video as I release them. A big special thank you to my brother Jens here for rudely waking me up and showing you how to do this.
Yes. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Alright,
so head over to the next video here.